með 5 háskólagráður.
Hello. Nice to see you again. Don't remember me?
No, I don't remember you.
Oh, yes. I came here 2 years ago.
Okay.
Yes.
Mate, say you. The company is 11. It's out.
Really? Excellent. I will go with you. Excellent. I will go with you. Excellent. Hello, Mama. How are you? Yes. Well, I am in this geothermal plant. They are working on this engine here. Yes, it's very nice. Did I have explained that about it? Yes, they have engine problem. Yes, I'm trying to do. Mama, I have to call you later. Okay.
Sit down, boy. You're in a lot of trouble, young man. What the hell is wrong with you?
What do you mean?
Huh?
What do you mean?
Is nobody there? Huh? Is nobody in there? Hello, what's wrong with you? You have cost us millions of dollars! Millions! And the turbine's been out for 3 weeks! What the fuck is wrong with you? What are you gonna do about this, boy? Huh? What are you gonna do about this?
I have money. I have money.
Right. Hey, come on. Sorry, man. Sit down. You're a rich boy?
Yes, I know.
Okay. I'm so sorry, my friend. So sorry. You want a coconut? This is very famous Icelandic drink. It's very good for you. You have coconut? Here. Wait. Always have a snoot. We call it snoot. It's special in Iceland. Yes. So you are a rich boy.
Yes. The thing is, I have a lot of money in Germany.
Oh, excellent. Yeah, it's okay. The thing is, we have a little bit financial trouble right now.
In this problem?
Yes.
Okay.
So I was thinking, you don't want to buy the power plant? Svartsengi?
Aye.
Yeah, you can buy it.
I have to phone my mother.
Oh, call
she
your
has
mother.
a lot of money.
All right, excellent.
3 banks in England.
No, excellent.
Hello, Mama. Hello, how are you? You remember this geothermal course I have in Iceland? Yes. Well, it's going to be a little bit more expensive than we thought in the beginning. Yes, there was a lot of trouble. Yes, I do something dummy, but it's no problem. They want to send me the power plant. Thank you.
Do you know about the Blue Lagoon?
Blue Lagoon is?
It's in the deal too.
Really?
Yes, yes.
Yes, we can buy the geothermal and Blue Lagoon also.
Yeah.
It is, I think it's not too expensive.
No.
It is very nice.
Remember when you came last time?
Yes.
So that geothermal plant in Reykjanes?
Yes.
Put it in for half price.
Oh, we also have the power plant in Reykjanes. It's
Yes.
half price.
Yeah.
If we take everything together.
Yeah.
We have half price. Yes.
We have a brand new turbine on the floor. Just in a couple of hours and in full speed.
They have one turbine already. They just have it in 3 hours.
Yeah.
No problem. Plenty energy.
Yeah.
Plenty, like 2-3 hours.
Yeah.
No, thank you. Yes. Okay, I will make a deal with him. Okay, I will make a deal with you.
Excellent.
Yeah, bye-bye.
This is a supersonic deal. Supersonic.
Kæra Freyja mín, á ég skilið að eiga þig að, eftir að hafa þér afneitað.
Ég með 5 háskólagráður. Ég með 5 háskólagráður.
Sigmar, ég var að segja frá hérna einu sem var svona myndavel og svo laði hann eitthvað frá sér og svo var einn af vinnufjölum sem kunni á svona vél og fór eitthvað að fylgta og skoða og spóla og þá var á henni helmingi efni bara hjá herminginu.
Núna ertu hjá mér, Nína, strýkur mér vang.
This is my people, son. 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 This is my people, son.
Haltu höndin á mér,